Hello everyone, welcome to another session on Introducing Literature, Module 2 discussions. Okay, and in this particular session, I am going to discuss about the concept called point of view. We all are familiar with this concept called point of view. We know that there are, three persons in any communication for that matter, or in any conversation for the first person, second person, and third person. But when it comes to narration, or you can say when it comes to literature, we normally speak not that much about the second person. Rather, in literature, or you can say in film for that matter, we have the first person narration, the third person limited, and the third person omniscient. First person narration is basically when the main character is using I, me, and my kind of words. In the narration, this is generally called as first person narrative. We all are familiar with that. Third person the third person limited narration, or you can say narrative, of course uses he, she, and they. Okay, but and they describes events also, but cannot reveal more than the thoughts of what the main characters. Okay, that is what we normally call as the point of view. In that particular sense, we call as third person limited. They cannot reveal more than the thoughts of the main characters. Okay. Third person omniscient, on the other hand, can access any character's thoughts or feelings. So, if I summarize, point of view is that vantage point from which a story is told. It is a stance from which the actions, or you can say the events of the story unfold. It is a stance from which the actions or the events unfold. Okay, and in literature, or you can say in cinema, we have three types of points of view. One is the first person, second one is third person limited, and the third one is third person omniscient. They are the three most common types. Okay, in a simplest sense, we can say omniscient point of view, where everything is in fact been told to the readers except to the characters. Okay, so I think that gives you a kind of gist of the idea called point of view, and we'll continue in the next session with the next concept. The next concept that we are going to start with is allusion.